Jai Hind, dear teachers. I am Prashant Vendavil. Today I would like to share some important points regarding one of the important questions you are asking, that is how to implement art integrated education in our classrooms. So it is not an easy task. I would like to go through the theoretical background of this concept. You know very well about Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy. Now, the Bloom's taxonomy in modern education gives more importance for students' involvement in the classrooms. So, teachers' role is limited and it ensures active participation of students for achieving mastery learning. How Bloom's taxonomy and art integration are related, you have to think about the different instructional objectives in Bloom's taxonomy. So after the revision of Bloom's taxonomy means first Bloom's taxonomy given importance for teacher oriented classrooms and the achievement of knowledge. But when the revised Bloom's taxonomy came, it gives more importance for assessing students' abilities, process skills. So it begins from knowledge or understanding to the assessment of students' creative thinking. You know very well, creative thinking is the highest level of learning achievement. What is creative thinking? How it comes? So, it is not a simple process. We can think, but thinking creatively, it is difficult task. So, art integration is related to creative thinking and how we can implement art integration in classroom. It is not an easy task. How we have to implement? First, we have to learn it. As a teacher, we have to learn how to become an artist. In front of students, we have to change our role as a good actor. We have to express the concept creatively. First of all, we have to demonstrate how to develop the content and transfer it in creative forms. So, creative thinking involves lot of different modes of creative expression. Teachers can express the different concept in the form of a story, a cartoon, a painting, a drama, a single act play, or dance, or any other type of art forms. You know very well, traditionally and in most modern era also, our Indian peoples are creatively talented with the different cultural aspects and art forms. So, art integrated education can be easily implemented by teachers by expressing or converting the concepts into these type of forms. Now we can express this concept in digitally also. So first of all, you have to remember we can express our concept in the form of a poem by reciting the poem, and also we can create stories, colorful stories, dramas. Also, we can create small movie scenes, and we can bring it in the form of dance, storytelling. Lot of different art forms are there. And what is the role of students? Once we are expressing all these concepts with the support of our creative abilities, we have to motivate our children. we have to motivate our children to bring these type of creative expressions by all of our students. Then only the child-centered education is possible. So, integration of art integrated education involves students' roles. Once we are expressing all these concepts as an enrichment activity, students can also create these type of art forms, maybe digital painting, cartoons, comics, stories, poems, or any other articles, dance forms, dramas, documentaries, any other things. Students can create all that type of activities with their own talents. Then there is the possibility of mastery learning. Mastery learning. So art integration helps to bring maximum involvement from the part of students. So remember how to implement the concept of art integrated education. Hope this video is very useful for you. If you are feeling so, please don't forget to support me by subscribing my channel and by sharing my video to your friends and all teachers of your school. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much with me. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much.